Hello techies, this is Tech House. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we'll cover some tech news topic related to iPhone 13 and recently launched Google Pixel 5a. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Okay, here we go guys. Earlier this year we have lots of leaks and renders of iPhone 13 flying around like portless iPhone, 1 TB storage variant, under display fingerprint scanner or maybe Touch ID. So let me make us clear with the final specs of iPhone 13. Like 120Hz of high refresh rate display on the Pro models. Let's expect to the non-Pro models too. Smaller notch, bigger battery, Apple A Bionic 15, larger camera sensor than the last year, which helps for better low light photography and videography too. The mini lineup will be continued at least for a year in 13 lineup. It will have same screen size as last year, but the performance will be boosted with the Apple Bionic A15. The iPhone 13 mini will have diagonal shape of camera rather than vertical shape. Now let's talk about the Pixel 5a. The Pixel 5a looks similar to the Pixel 4a 5G. It has the same processor 765G. The Pixel 5a will be the last phone to use Snapdragon chipset. The coming Pixel 6 will use Google Tensor, which is on custom-made chipset for Pixel lineup. Pixel 5a has some difference than the Pixel 4a, like larger screen size, bigger battery, 47,000 mAh of battery, sweet 18W fast charging, official IP rating. So these are the some final specs on iPhone 13 and Google Pixel 5a. If you have enjoyed watching this video, drop us like down below and subscribe to the channel. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.